Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Getresponse quickly and easily. First, log into your Getresponse account. From the dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Account. Next, go to Domains. Click Add Domain and enter the domain name you purchased from Namecheap. Getresponse will now display the name server records you need to add to verify your domain. Keep this page open. Now, open a new tab and log into your Namecheap account. From the left-hand menu, click Domain List. Under the Domain section, scroll down to find Name Server Records. There, you see default name servers. Click on the small arrow symbol, you will see Custom DNS. Click on it, then you will see the blank name servers failed to enter. In Getresponse, copy the first name server record provided. Back in Namecheap, paste the name server 1. Repeat this process for any additional name servers required by Getresponse. Once you've added all the records, return to Getresponse and click Verify Domain. Name servers changes usually take a few minutes, but in some cases can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate. After verification is complete, your domain will show as verified inside Getresponse. You can now use your custom domain for sending professional email campaigns and improving email deliverability. And if you're planning to use Getresponse, check out my recommended link in the description below. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase open rates, generate more clicks, and potentially earn more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick SaaS tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.